Hello once again. Moving along in our unit of prisms and volumes and surface areas, we get to the right triangular prism once again, but now we're interested in its volume. We've done surface area last time, but moving on to volume now. Volume is typically easier to calculate than surface area. It has less pieces and parts to it. But there's a tricky part with the triangular prism, due to the fact that we always have to make sure that we think of it as a prism that's sitting on the triangle as its floor. So this picture right now is not very representative of what we should be thinking of it as a prism. It needs to be sitting on its triangular face. So in your head, imagine flipping this 90 degrees so the triangle becomes the bottom of this prism. Then things will work just fine. And you will always have to do that when we're dealing with prisms that are not rectangular. So, volume equals the area of the base times the height. Now, let's look at the area of the base of this. If the triangle is the base, then we have 9 times 7 divided by 2. That's going to be the area of the base of the triangle, or of the prism, which is a triangle. And then the height of this prism, if you imagine it being flipped down and sitting on the triangle, is going to be 5 centimeters, because that's going to be the height of the prism sitting down on the triangle. So multiply by 5. And all we have to do now is calculate what this is. This is 63 divided by 2, which is 31.5 times 5. And I'm just going to use my calculator on the side here to give me the value, which is 157.5. And the units for this are centimeters cubed, because we're dealing with the volume. Notice that it is significantly easier than the surface area, where we had to find every single face and then add it all together. In this case, we only had to find the triangle, its area, and then multiply it by the height of the prism, which all that's required here. We will do more examples of this in class, and you will solve more problems that have to do with the volume of the triangular prism. I will see you in class.